Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, Lady Ann asks Foota Hype to see both sides of the story regarding Lady Saw. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. That's right, listeners. In this episode, Lady Ann asks Foota Hype to realize that someone can be good to you, but they don't have to be good to the next person. But right now, Queen, take it away.
Foota Hype. Yeah, Foota Hype. More may a reason. Cause since you have so much to say, Foota, me not got this. Cause I'm looking youth, more time I just call and chat some fuck and run off of the phone again, But me not got this. But Foota, me realize you have a lot to say. Yeah, Foota, me realize you have a lot to say. Foota, see the month where you're born, and a month let me get pregnant with my son. See the year where you're born, and I see me year that my son born, 1981. And I was 20 years old then when I had my first child. Foota, you born 81, and my first child born 1981. Foota, so what you say? My little run when me get in the 80s, and when you try to discredit it, Foota, you see, in my 80s when me get my run, me a giant. Me a giant, Foota. Foota, you can't discredit that. Cause it sound like that you do. Foota, you see 19 in the 80 when me get my run, Foota. Me a champion. Yeah, champion, Foota. When me get my little run, Foota, me a champion. And guess what? Me get pregnant at the hype of my career. Me never don't kill my baby. Me get pregnant at the hype of my career. Me never don't kill my baby. Foota. This one cinema key, 1982. I'm run on and kick off my shoes. Yes, Foota, me start dancing a dance hall, kicking off shoes past stage. Yeah, and the mall them clothes, go ask them about that show. They when me kick off my shoes and run on. That's what me furnished, but me mash up the place and the power them a come Foota. Ziggy start to tease me and ask me if I bun my shoes, I bun why every time I perform, I have to kick off my shoes. Foota, me not got disrespect, because I'm a little virgin. But don't do that, Foota. Foota, what you do? Foota. 1993, you're a youth. You're still the one with mommy. You're never in a dance hall. You never know where you're going to dance hall. 1992, Foota. Foota, you for make sleeping dog lie. Everybody has to make this thing down and you still a story top. You still a story top, Foota, because that you do a story top, Foota. Foota, you for chill and stop talk back with you, because you talk back with you. You talk like nobody is never great in them time, Foota. Everybody will get them run at them time, they great. Them are the champion at them own way. Stop it. Stop one like you know everything we're going to dance hall. Foota, you don't know everything we're going to dance hall. Not because one might show you love, that I mean them show everybody love. Not because one might show you love, Foota, that I mean them show the same thing to everybody. If you know, you don't know, I know everything you know about dance hall. You just born 41 years ago. You just born what year? Foota 1993. You never in a dance hall. Even if you listen to music, you couldn't go in a dance hall because you're a youth. So what you say? You can't discredit my championship, Foota. You can't take that from me. Foota. I mean, have the maddest hit in a dance hall up to today. I send the forward, come give you. Me send the forward, come give you. And Foota, you have it in your box too. And you know the effect it can play anywhere, in any function, anyway. And just one place Informer can play, Foota can play in any dance, any function, any gathering. Stop talk back with your youth. Everybody have them favorite people and nothing wrong with that. But talk what you know. Because you never in a dance hall 1993 for know where did I go in a dance hall or where did that take place. You have to stop it, youth. Stop the bias. Because you talk bias. You talk back with you. You see my road when me get? Me did mad at it. Me mash it up. That's why me get DJ of the year, album of the year, artist of the year. Me get it more than once. Ease yourself, man, and stop stir up things, man. Make the thing dead, man. Every day you come here, stir it up and stir it up. Why you can't just say, "Wanna for live good and done"? Why you can't say that? Why you can't say that? Why you can't just say them for done and live good? Why you stir up and stir up and stir up and go like you and discredit to everybody do already? Everybody do them thing in a them time. Me get my time and me do my thing. Me get my championship. So what you say? Discredit you want, discredit it, or you try discredit it, Foota. You can't do that, Foota. That's stamp already. That's stamp already, Foota. It's stamp in a dance hall. It's not style, it's stamp in there. That's why one on try push me out. I want to try push me out and ghost me out. You can't get rid of me. Me start this, you know. Me help start dance hall, you know. Nobody not stop your friend from come back for dance hall where she won't, cause she won't dance hall, yeah. You for build Foota, man, and stop it, man. You for build. Me say, this same month you're born, and I see a month they may have sex and get pregnant to my son. This is the day when you're born, I'm about 2 weeks pregnant. This is the November, me give birth the same year when you born to my first child. Yeah. And before that, Foota, me I mash up, me I deal with dancehall. Foota, me I gonna dancehall from 1976. Me record my first song 1977. Me get my monster hit 1983. Me get my first little hit 1982 with Sat Up. And my first little hit that. But never huge like Informer. So what you do, Foota? Discredit what me do. And that's what I try to do. So what you say me a liar? You for bill, man. I make bygones be bygones and stop stir up shit, cause that you do. Cause you don't want to see the peace. Every day I get up at a yap and a ray and a ray. You for stop it, man. Stop it and make the thing dead. You for come out, come sound for live good. Stop build, push war, cause that you do. You push war. You go like you know everything will take place in a dance hall. You don't know everything, Foota. Foota 1993 when me a shell Sunface, you never did it? Yeah. 1993 Foota, me shell Sunface, 93. You never did it, you did that one. Cause you couldn't go Montego Bay by yourself. So what are you saying? What are you trying to say? Me not disrespect you, come a brethren, you know, me have to call you out when me talk fuck about me, you know. Me not diss you, cause I'm a little brethren. Kevin know and then me call you, me chat fuck, I will laugh, and me go about my business. Yeah, my brethren, not do that. You see my run me get? Me are the champion. Yeah, cause me never a champion and me never do something great, Foota. Me only get them accolade that when me get. Don't go like you and discredit my thing. No girl no better than me. None. No girl. No day, no night. No better than me. Cause me do it already and me can't do it again. Me just get old and now. That don't mean me slow. Stop going like you and discredit people in our business, man. Everybody did bad in them own time. Everybody do them work. Do them champion. Everybody was a champion and a giant in them own time. Every one of it. Me run my championship in the 80. Me do it already, Foota. And the thing move on to our next level. And when the DJ slack you found them bigger than people who are DJ clean conscious lyrics. Cause the people them like the slack thing more than the clean thing. You go let me not do nothing like you and discredit me. Stop it, Foota, man. Yeah, brethren, not do that. You never in a dance hall 93. You don't know when what take place in a 1993, Foota. 1977 to 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. You don't know what me do, Foota. Foota, me get pregnant now the hype of my career. When my career huge, me get pregnant. And me never know about my daughter. Even though sometimes I can't stand her either. Me never don't dash her if in a career. Cause guess what? It's a good thing me never dash her because then me can't call for no. I mean that just try come build back my career, Foota. Not do that, Foota. Not do that. Me say, when me I run out past stage and I kick off my shoes, where you there, Foota? Go ask a friend them, you say you're the mall of them cool. Ask them about cinema too. When me kick off my shoes. I'm in a perform in a shoes, Foota, very weird. So what you say? Not do that, Foota. Not do that, Foota. Foota, you're my son. You're my son. I see him here. Just a few months older than my son. When I'm born to see him here. The same month where you're born, and I'm on them wine and get my son. Yeah, my son, I see him here. Just a few months older than him. And like me say again, Foota, me are the giant now my time. Me the great. Everybody great now them own way. Everybody the great now them own way. Everybody the great now them own way, Foota. Charmian come and she great. Lady G come and she great. The whole of them come and them great. You go like say no we no do nothing. Stop it, man. Stop talk back where you talk back where you talk bias. Foota, no female na the history dancer and no song big like my own. None. That's all me need, just a one man strike the Foota. Me still a live and fight. That's all me need. Just that one monster it. Look Pam Bam Bam. You see Nancy do any more song after that? She comfortable. So what you say, Foota? Stop going like you want discredit what me do, man. Me are the champion and giant na my time, Foota. Foota 1982, 83 me a dancehall, giant, champion. Not do that. Not do that, Foota. Foota don't do it. Not do that. Not try to discredit me. Not discredit me thing. Not do it, Foota. Not do that. Foota, when a woman I go up on stage and I feel up good and I talk dirty, them forward they come easy, you know. But it's when a female up on stage and I feel talk a conscious lyrics, it not come easy, you know. Me have to work for my forward, you know, Foota. So when the slackness come in a dancehall now, down at Jamaica, them don't want to hear the artist, them want to talk clean. Because them like the slacky thing. Foota not do that. Foota you just 40-year-old now. Where you know? Where you know about my history? Go do your homework, man. Go do your homework. You can't. Hey, Foota, my name's Stamping a dancehall, you know. Foota, my name's Stamping a dancehall. Don't discredit me. Don't go on like you want to discredit me. Foota, nothing want a friend them I do and what me do. And me first start barefoot na dance. Me say go ask your friend them. And ask who know about it. And nothing them take up from me and go like them own it. Foota not do that. No do it. No do it, Foota. Make the little food where go and die down the Foota. It a die down slowly and you start it up back. With your bullshit. Make it down the Foota. Or you go on so star. Make the thing just done now. Make the thing just done now, Foota. You keep a stir it up, a stir it up, a stir it up, a stir it up. For what? For what, Foota? You know if you stir it up, brother. Make it done now. Me understand everybody have their fans and their favorite people. Nothing wrong with that. But you can't talk bias. Can you talk bias? You never done a dancehall 93, you know. If you know what take place, you know, with me, you know. You never did that, you know. So you have your facts and me have my facts. Me don't know about nobody else. Me have my story, Foota. So you want to come to discredit my one and you never did it? You never did it, Foota. You don't know what happened. You don't know what take place. Talk what you know. Talk about what you know. But you can't talk about nothing going on 93, Foota. Foota, you can't talk about nothing going on 93, no. You never did it, no. You never did it. So what you say? Stop it, man. Stop stir up things, man. Make the thing done. Make the thing done, Foota. Stop stir it up. Make it done. That go on too long now. Time for it done. Make it done. Stop it. Stop discredit people. Stop discredit. Stop. Talk what you know. Not talk about what you don't know. Because you don't know. You never done no 93 in a dancer. You never did it. Were you there? Were you there when things that take place with me? You did that dance when them call me old man? You did that, were you there? When I talk about that look old man one day I seen a lady and you did that, Foota? Were you there? You never did it. Were you there when them said them hate me? Foota, you never did it. Stop it. Just like how you have your truth, I have mine too. Me can't talk for nobody else. Me can't talk for me. Lord the thing, Foota. Stop stir it up. Cause me's a Pisces like you now. You know me gonna talk my mind cause me not afraid. Me not bite my tongue for nobody. Me not feared. Me not afraid. And like me say, me was a champion in my little run when me get. And none of who not talk about will never top when me top. Cause me first top it. Me do it already. Me do it already, Foota. Remember that. Nothing wrong if you want to show favoritism. Nothing wrong with that. Me have few people. I'm quite sure me have somebody out there rate me too. But them now come discredit nobody. Everybody a champion in them own way, Foota. Everybody a champion in them own way. And them own right. Like me say, when me get my run, me deal with it wicked. Wicked. Foota. And night after night with the pass sound truck. Stand up and dance to the man them. With the Echo, General Echo. The Peter Metro, the Burbantan, the Nicodemus, the Super Cat, the Early Bee. Me and them a rub shoulder and a dance and me a get me forward. The John Wayne and the Tolo T. Yeah, Foota. Shoulder to shoulder. Left dance every night me there dance. 7 days a week, Foota. I deal with it, Foota. Come now make the man forward more than mine. So what you say? Foota, when me I do it, you still the home. When me start, you still in a nappy. Not discredit me thing, Foota. Not do that. Not do it. Not discredit me thing, youth. Cause you're youth to this. You're youth. Foota, when me I do this, you're baby, you know. You're baby. I run up and down up a cassava piece. I used to come up there, come check me Uncle Lucky, because my Uncle Lucky used to live up there, the shoemaker man when near Lucky. My uncle. Me so I come up there to my uncle when named Lucky. Go ask, oh your mother died. Go ask anybody up there about the little shoemaker man when live up there when near Lucky. Little short, bow leg man with the pretty hair, used to do the shoemaker work. I'm my Uncle Foota. So Foota, I swear me I do this year, youth. Me I do this before you're born. Me I do this before you're born, Foota. So where you come and go like you are discredit what me do for? Why the one it there bother the whole on so? Me still a live a fight, you know. Me still a live a fight. Call up a Majestic Fire and ask him how much dub him have up there for me come vice. And call Japanese June down at Jamaica and ask her how much dub Shafi send come give me for come vice. Foota stop it. Foota not do it. Me ya bread, and ya me look bread one time I call you, I'm a chat fuckery. I'm tell you 2 people business I'm run off of the phone. Not do it, Foota. A style thing. As a man, when I the business, I used to do what I wear. I keep up fuckery. You know me that I expect you to say, Foota. Them girls want me get a piece of big stick and come beat all of them. I'm going to sit down. And that's what should I say, you know. You know, so that all artist. Hey, Foota ask Georgewell about me. The first time I Georgewell crash out to one place out of Wallaba named Church Pen. Ask Georgewell about me. I'm no more than about 15 or 16. Foota warm to you. Foota me a bad girl in a dance, you know. I just threw them call me down and push me out of dance hall, you know, the big heads them, you know. Cause them know me bad, you know. Foota, I the great them train me, you know. The Louis Lepke, the Dillinger, the Tyan, the Little John, the Dillinger, the Trinity, the Alcambra. Hey! Make them tell when Alcambra came up and down for go kill people. Walk up on people stage and murder them. Foota warm to you. Foota them time they yeah baby. Foota. Yeah baby to the thing. Yeah baby to the thing. Now go like you want discredit what me do. Cause the whole of we do we thing where we get we run. Everyone of we. You know why my thing never last long, Foota? Cause me not believe na hope, yeah. That's why it never last long. Me never had a rub up with no oil and no powder. Me never had a walk with no parchment paper on my shoes. I never have no parchment paper on my hand, Foota. And the game did not play dirty. Foota, remember when them raid out the arrows? You don't know about that cause you're the baby. When them raid out the arrows through that, them find the whole heap of violence. You know the police car, Foota. You forgot, Foota? Oh, you don't know about that, sorry. Me not forgot ask Peter Mitchell or Burbanton or one of them. We know about that. When them raid out the arrows, the whole heap of violence. Foota, me say you run, that's true though. And me say artists come there and wheel him kerchiefs in front of you, Brown, and you Brown drop a ground. Foota warm to you. No found no rate say great, them doing great. A science wall up no for them up there. Foota allow me. You're my brethren, but don't go like you and come style me in a decent way. Me now go take it. Cause my mouth light like you when I go answer you. I'm not care who I say me old, me proud of my blood clot age, me a 60. Next month me a 61 and me proud. Stop what like, show you cherish somebody more you want discredit who will do something great already. Don't do that. Foota, you never did it. You don't know what take place. Talk about what you know. Talk about what you know. You know this when me talk what me know. Me not talk what me don't know, Foota. Me talk about what me know. Cause it's not good to fabricate story and talk about other people. It is not fair. So when me come with my facts. Foota, me come with facts. Me not come tell lie on people and talk shit when me don't know. So stop it. Don't go like you try style me neatly and go like you want discredit when me do already. You can't do it, Foota. Make them tell about me and when me run on stage barefoot. It's when MC say lady and me I run up the steps, you see me shoes them I go up that the ear, me I kick them off. Not do it. Not do it, Foota. Not do it. Stop it. Make the argument done. Make the argument done. Stop stir it up, cause that you do. Yeah, stir it up, Foota. That you do. Cause you love the fuckery. Stop stir it up. Love it. Cause you just come in a music business. Cause you just man what here. You don't know nothing. You think you know everything. You don't. Go do your history, go do your research. Go do your homework before you come talk. You used to live on Union Factory with Foota? You used to live on Union? You don't have no one name, so. You used to do a record factory with Foota? You don't have no one name, so. You used to out to arrows with me? You stop a Scorpio with me? You stop a sugar miner with me? Don't talk what you don't know. Talk what you know. Talk what you know. Don't talk what you don't know. And you still my brethren, I know not me just have to set you straight, because you're a man you love to talk how you feel, so me just have to tell you how me feel. And that's all me I do. Not do it, Foota. Not do it, Foota. Me still a mash up dance. When me get show, me still a damage them. The last show me do I down in Florida. Ask them about that show there, with big youth and all away. Foota, me just not take the show, them, where the slacky mouth people them like. Me take decent show with big people there. The last show me do before COVID, down in Florida, the Rachel One Love Festival, it was me, Big Youth, Sister Carol, Lady G, Glenn Washington, and some other great. And them type of show that me take Foota. Me not take the little show them all that for people might come here, not about cocky and pussy. Me not take them show the Foota. Foota, me not take them show there. Cause anything me I do it if I stay in my bedroom. Me not take them show there. Me not take them show the Foota. Me not talk about underneath me. Make the man them when I go underneath me talk about underneath me. Foota them forward, they come easy. Easy like Sunday morning. Easy like Sunday morning. Them forward are the easiest forward in a dance hall. You must dance quick with them song there. So you me know say me all, and me too old for talk about underneath my Foota. Me not take them show there. Me take other show like out of California and them place there. Big people settings, Foota. Big people settings. So ease yourself, Foota, and stop this. Stop it. Remember me not come this way, you know. Me just make you know, say you're baby to the thing, you don't know everything. You know some things, but you don't know everything. Just like I don't know everything, but me can't talk what me know. Foota, me grow in a dance hall. Me grow enough children me sleeping, enough dance hall me sleeping upon the box. Me grow. Go ask the low ranger them about me, the Johnny Ringo pass and gone. Go ask the great them about me. The Clint Eastwood, all of them. Go ask big youth them about me. Go ask them. Not do it, Foota. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Me do my thing, and me get my credit them, and me are the champion. That's all me I say to you, Foota. Have a nice and a great day, yeah? Have a nice and a great day. Talk where you know, don't talk where you don't know. Can you like me say again? You weren't there. You gonna have no record factory there. Now new names true though. I could have somebody could have to tell you what them they did there. So stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I don't want somebody own. Nobody know one dance hall. Cause I'm not going like on a friend one dance hall. Stop it. Every day just come with a bullshit. Stop it, man. Stop it. Allow me.
All right, she made some good points there, yeah. Because, you know, if someone is good to me, that don't mean they're going to be good to the next person. So I understand. Yo, this topic has been taking over everything on this channel. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. This is Talking News. And I am Daddy Reds. And I'm the reggae ambassador. And I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.